Hey guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Ooh, bitch. Well, let's after I show y'all, cause I really think these bugs are so cool. Look at this. Now watch. Look at that. Look how I balled up like that. And then I'm not even doing nothing to it. I'm just kicking it. Look how it moves. It moves like a little. Look, ain't that so fucking cool? Look at that. That shit is dope as fuck. Look at that. And then it open up. And just playing around with the bug is like not even harming it or nothing. Look at that. He like playing. Look at that. Look. Oh my God. Now, isn't that cool, guys? I think my phone finna die in a little bit. But yes, bitch. Get into her. Get into her. We got a little blue on the eye. A little blue glitter, a little glitter shimmer, a little shimmer on the eyes. Okay, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. We got a little shimmer on the eyes, and we put a little shimmer on the cheeks. A little black liner on the bottom line, the bottom lids, and we gave ourselves a little wing on the ends. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yes. One thing I noticed though, I noticed my lid, like my bottom lid, like this part right here, this overfolds over this. I think this is called the crease bone or something like that, but it folds over, so the blue I was able to get some of the blue on like around here, like over top right there. So yes, bitch, get into her. Get into her. And we decided not to go with any lip. For some reason I couldn't find my my coochie pink lip gloss, but that's alright, cause it still look good without any lip on. It would have been extra sexy with some lip on, but we ain't gonna put no lip on. Not today. And yes, we got us some nice big cute earrings. We went with I decided to take my braids out and give a little. Now bitch, do you see them sleek edges? Them edges. Get into the edges. Get into them edges, them baby hairs. And then we went with the curls at the sides. You know what I'm saying? We went with the curls. Y'all know what them curls on the sides mean. That's them Jews, bitch. That's them Jews coming out, bitch. Yes, get into her. Get into her. Yes, baby. Baby. Oh, hunty. Hunty. Yes. Ooh, yes. Yes, baby. Yes. Ooh. 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 Thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ooh, them eyes look sexier than the mother.